I built the road. I built the road. You know how awesome that is? Look at this. I just drove down my own road that I built. Yeah, baby. Yeah. Had a very good conversation with my brother Craig this morning. Always good to hear from him. He says he's been watching my channel, my videos, I guess. I want to say videos. Gave me some advice. He's built some houses himself, so he knows the process. So he shared a little bit of that, shared some encouragement. Thinks I'm doing a good job. You know, it's always good when you're a little brother hear from your big brother, you know. It's a good thing. So I'm almost ready for stone for the driveway. Guy named Dell is supposed to show up this morning. He has access to stone, and he can get it delivered for me. I think he delivers it, and then I just have to spread it with a Mini X. I might rent a skid steer to make things a little bit more easier for me. And I was thinking about, you know, having these crappy hills that I'm piling up with dirt. I might ask Dell, you know, if he can drop off gravel, he might be able to take some of this dirt. I don't know if I'm going to need any of this around the building site. I mean, we're going to be digging up a big hole for the foundation, so I should have plenty of dirt. Think from that. So maybe I'll hold off with this. Before I make a commitment, I'm getting rid of it. A lot of this dirt has the sticks and leaves in it. But just missed that tree. Rose doesn't care for the pile sitting here, even though it's just a camper, but she wants to be pretty. This area, we're gonna be in the camper for a long time. And this is where it's gonna be its home for a long time, so I'm trying to move back some of this dirt. No problem with that. Because when things go south, I can blame it on her. No, she's been extremely helpful. Well, a little bit of change of plans. I end up taking the dirt pile from over there and I'm filling this gully over here. I just took down a whole bunch of trees right there. All the trees that were inside this gully, I just took them down and pushed them off over there, and I'm filling this gully in right here with all that fill that was in the back corner. And the rock guy showed up and he's dropping off stone. It's looking good. We're getting there. I gotta keep on pushing dirt. Been a fun day, productive day. I actually feel that we might be able to get the camper in the shed by this weekend. That's a little bit hopeful. I doubt it, but it might. We might. Cooking with gas now, baby. Cooking with gas. Got to take down this big cedar tree at some point.
Maniac. But he's done it time after time.
I hate it.
Wow.
I hate everything. Just kidding.
My son,
Yeah.
that up there is what it's going to look like.
Oh, over there?
Over
Right
there.
inside.
Yeah. Nice. You're good.
Hope this thing cranks back up. Starter's going out on this thing.
Oh, it is?
Yeah. I ain't had time to replace it.
Let's go get your tools.
Well, if it don't crank, you know what I'm gonna do? Back the trailer down here, winch it on the trailer, go get the tractor.
I think he thinks that's a little go-kart. Well, he's having fun.
Oh my God. 16 years old.
Yeah, said that. Yikes. But we're very excited. This is so exciting. May not seem like a lot to somebody, but it seems a lot to us. Yay. Jesus. Okay, now he's doing tricks.
That was a little heavy. I'm putting my seatbelt on now.
Hey, you were like this. You were like...
Oh yeah. That rock's heavy. It's 4 tons in that little bitty dump truck. Pain to get the seatbelt out.
I guess you never used it.
You look like a stunt man.
Yeah.
I was waiting for you to spin around.
I can do it. It ain't fun.
Well, don't get hurt.
No, she's all worried about you.
I'm alright. With my hands on these controls, I ain't coming out of here. 'Cause if I push forwards, it goes forward.
Okay.
Now I'm buckled, so I'm safe. I may just take off. If you take some, then you go.
Long day. Really long day. We were running and gunning, but this is what we got. I know, and I didn't even get to record, only little bits of it. You guys have been waiting for this day, and I failed y'all. I only had Eli for the day, so to run around with the camera and everything, we just worked our butt off. I just got to run the excavator over it a bunch of times, but we're gonna get our camper moved. Hopefully over the weekend, get a nice nestle spot over here for it. So hopefully we'll have a nice little area for it. We're so excited. It's amazing how things change like quickly. You know, I wasn't expecting to have stone and spread. I wasn't expecting to have stone delivered and got it spread until next week. And here we are. It was another fantastic day. Long day. I'm tired. And I got to go in there and spend the next 3.5, 4 hours editing this. Maybe not that long. It's the upload that takes forever. But, all right. Until to the next one. Thanks for watching. And I will see you guys tomorrow. Peace.